Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Best Egg versus Prosper, two popular online lending platforms. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of using these platforms to achieve your financial goals. First, let's start with an overview of Best Egg and Prosper. Best Egg is a personal loan platform that offers loans ranging from $2,000 to $50,000. with interest rates starting at 5.99%. Prosper, on the other hand, is a peer-to-peer lending platform that offers loans ranging from $2,000 to $40,000, with interest rates starting at 6.99%. To get started with either platform, you will need to check your credit score and history. Both Best Egg and Prosper require a minimum credit score of 640 to qualify for a loan. You can check your credit score for free on various websites, such as Credit Karma or Credit Sesame. Once you have checked your credit score, you can begin the application process. For Best Egg, you will need to provide personal and financial information, such as your income, employment status, and debt-to-income ratio. Prosper, on the other hand, requires you to create a loan listing, which includes information about your loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. After submitting your application, both platforms will review your creditworthiness and provide you with a loan offer. Best Egg typically provides loan offers within minutes, while Prosper may take a few days to fund your loan. Now, let's compare the key features of Best Egg and Prosper. Best Egg offers more flexible repayment terms, with loan lengths ranging from 3 to 5 years. Prosper, on the other hand, offers more transparency in its loan listings, allowing borrowers to see the interest rates and repayment terms before accepting a loan. In terms of fees, Best Egg charges an origination fee ranging from 0.99% to 5.99%. while Prosper charges an origination fee ranging from 2.41% to 5%. To make the most of these platforms, it's essential to follow best practices. First, make sure to read and understand the loan terms and conditions before accepting a loan. Second, create a budget and repayment plan to ensure you can afford your monthly payments. Finally, consider consolidating debt or financing a large purchase, such as a wedding or home improvement project. In conclusion, Best Egg and Prosper are two reliable online lending platforms that can help you achieve your financial goals. By understanding the key features and fees of each platform, you can make an informed decision and choose the best option for your needs. Remember to always prioritize responsible borrowing and repayment practices to ensure a positive experience with either platform.